Your nervous system is like your body's messaging system. It helps you feel things, move, and respond to the world around you. But certain unhealthy diet and lifestyle choices, including high sugar intake, nutritional deficiencies, too much stress, excessive alcohol consumption, and certain health conditions can take a toll on them. That's where the right kind of food comes in. So in today's episode, let's learn about some of the best foods that can give your nerves better nourishment and help to repair them quickly and effectively. Let's begin. Number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens can play a supportive role in nerve health and even offer some benefits for repairing nerve damage. They are generally a good source of several B vitamins, especially vitamin B1, vitamin B6, folate or vitamin B9, vitamin B12, in addition to vitamin C, vitamin K, and magnesium. B vitamins play a vital role in nerve signal transmission and myelin sheath formation, the protective layer around nerve fibers. In fact, vitamin B6 deficiency, for instance, can lead to nerve damage and tingling sensations. Vitamin B9, on the other hand, aids DNA synthesis and repair, crucial for the production of nerve cells. And vitamin B12 keeps those nerve impulses firing smoothly, preventing problems like numbness and weakness. Leafy greens, particularly spinach and kale, are also rich in alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA for short. This compound is a powerful antioxidant and helps reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to nerve damage. Studies show that ALA may even promote nerve regeneration by boosting antioxidant enzymes and reducing free radical damage. Leafy greens, especially collard greens and Swiss chard, are also rich in magnesium. A single cup or 180 grams of cooked collard greens packs a whopping 246 milligrams of magnesium, almost 60% of your daily recommended intake. Magnesium plays a crucial role in calming nerve excitability and ensuring smooth transmission of electrical signals along nerve fibers. So, having a balanced amount of these leafy greens can ensure that your body has many essential nutrients it needs to repair damaged nerves and keep them overall healthy. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. Vitamin E plays a crucial role in building the protective covering of nerve cells, known as the myelin sheath. This helps nerves transmit messages efficiently. Avocados also contain a special type of monounsaturated fats called oleic acid. This compound has both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can potentially help protect and even support nerve repair. Enjoy them sliced on toast, mashed into guacamole, or blended into smoothies to reap their diverse health benefits. Number 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, especially salmon, tuna, herring, and sardines, are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA and EPA. These omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for nerve cell health and function. They help maintain the myelin sheath, the protective layer around nerves, and regulate inflammation, a key factor in nerve damage. Salmon is particularly rich in vitamins B6 and B12, both of which are essential for nerve signal transmission and regeneration. In fact, vitamin B6 deficiency can lead to nerve pain and feelings of numbness, while vitamin B12 plays a vital role in maintaining healthy nerve fibers. Fatty fish in general, and especially tuna, is particularly rich in magnesium, vitamin D, and selenium. Magnesium supports faster signal transmission between nerves, vitamin D plays a major role in nerve function and regeneration, and selenium helps to protect them from free radical damage. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. When it comes to nuts and seeds for nerve repair, each variety offers a unique blend of nutrients that contribute to healthy nerve function and potential repair. For example, walnuts are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, alpha-linolenic acid to be more specific. This kind of fat gets converted into DHA and EPA in the body, the same nerve protective fats found in fatty fish. Walnuts also contain vitamin B6, which is essential for nerve signal transmission, and vitamin E, which helps to protect your nerve cells from free radical damage. Another pretty good option for nerve repair is almonds. They are particularly rich in magnesium, a mineral crucial for nerve impulse regulation and reducing nerve excitability. Our nerves communicate with each other with electrical signals, and magnesium helps them do just that, potentially alleviating nerve pain and feelings of numbness, coldness, or tingling. Among seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds are pretty healthy options. Flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid and vitamin B1. B1 is crucial for energy production and nerve function. Sunflower seeds are rich in several B vitamins, vitamin E, and selenium, while chia seeds offer ALA and many B vitamins. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are quite well known for their vitamin C content. Vitamin C not only helps to strengthen nerve cell membranes, but also supports their overall health by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Plus, it helps our body make collagen, a structural protein that provides the necessary strength and flexibility to nerve cells, facilitating their regeneration and repair. Number 6. Lean proteins. Many people think that proteins just make muscles. Well, they do, but they are much more than that. Lean protein sources are rich in amino acids, which are essential for the synthesis and repair of nerve cells, axons, and dendrites. Without enough of them, nerve repair can seriously hamper, and can also make your nerve damage symptoms even worse. Another thing is that certain amino acids act as precursors for enzymes involved in nerve function. These enzymes play crucial roles in neurotransmitter production, energy metabolism, and other vital processes within nerve cells. Adequate protein intake ensures efficient enzyme function and optimal nerve health. So if you want to repair your nerves quickly, you must ensure that you are consuming enough lean proteins, including skinless chicken or turkey breast, lean beef, and fish. Number 7. Legumes. Legumes are particularly rich in essential B vitamins, including vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and folate or vitamin B9, which play crucial roles in normal nerve activity and healing. Folate is especially important for DNA and RNA synthesis, crucial for nerve cell growth and maintenance. Legumes also serve as outstanding plant-based protein sources, providing the necessary building blocks for tissue repair and regeneration, especially for nerve cells and tissues. Including legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas in your diet can be a valuable step in supporting nerve health and overall nervous system function. Number 8. Lean dairy products. Low-fat dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt offer essential components for nerve function and overall nervous system health. One key element found in low-fat dairy is calcium, which is vital for nerve function. The phosphorus in dairy combines with calcium to support healthy neuron function, contributing to the production and repair of robust nerve cell membranes. Lean dairy products are also a good source of several B vitamins, especially B12 and B6. Both these vitamins are essential for nerve function and metabolism. But remember that consuming dairy products or other foods mentioned in this video is not the prescribed way to treat nerve damage and repair. Consult your healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment of your condition, and get personalized advice, especially if you have any underlying conditions or allergies. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.